shovel the stars so I can see my two-faced buttercup.